and good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing the important responsibilities of a tour guide before tour, during tour, and after tour, including proper appearance and how to entertain guests. Before the tour, preparation is very important. A tour guide should arrive at the meeting place at least 1 to 2 hours early to meet the group and ensure everything is ready. The guide must coordinate with the coach captain, with the vehicle driver, and meet the tour coordinator who hired them to clarify roles, schedules, and responsibilities. It is also important to review the tour itinerary and study the destinations, check the weather condition, and prepare backup plans. Being early and well prepared helps prevent problems and ensure a smooth tour. During the tour, the tour guide must always remain professional and approachable and attentive to the guest's needs. The guest should give clear instructions, manage time properly, and prioritize the safety and comfort of the group. If any concerns or problems rise by the group coordinator and guest, the guide should listen respectfully and understand their complaints and respond calmly. The tour guide should always try their best to resolve the issue professionally while maintaining a positive attitude. After tour, once all the guests have exited the bus, the tour guide should be the last person to leave the vehicle. The guide must carefully check every seat to ensure that no personal belongings will be left behind. The guide should thank the guests and assist if needed, and remain professional until the very end of the tour. In terms of appearance, the tour guide should always look neat and presentable. For women, casual attire should be comfortable, modest, and appropriate for the tour, such as a clean blouse, pants or skirt, and closed shoes. For formal tours, a well-fitted blouse, slackings or a skirt, and proper shoes, and light makeup are recommended. Proper grooming reflects professionalism. To entertain guests, a tour guide can share interesting stories, fun facts, local culture, and light humor. Being friendly, confident, and engaging helps create a memorable experience. In conclusion, a successful tour guide is prepared, respectful, professional, and engaging, ensuring guests have a safe and enjoyable tour. Thank you.